Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, a video in which I am going to take up some of the smart tricks which you can use to handle fractions and mixed numbers. There are a huge variety of questions when it comes to simplification problems in which fractions and mixed numbers are used, and so you need to think about the shortest and the smartest methods which will give you the accurate answer to a multiple choice question maybe in very less time. So watch the entire video. You are going to learn something special and you are going to learn some useful tricks which you can use to save time during competitive exams. If you have not subscribed the channel till now, click the subscribe button here, and along with that you need to click the bell shaped icon so that you keep on getting the notifications of all future uploads on the channel. So let's see the first question in hand. So in the first question we have an operation of. So as you know, of is another form of a bracket. So if the question involves of, like 4/9 of 3/5 of 4500. Now of is the operation which you have to take up first. Like you have BODMAS. So you take up division first, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction in that order. Of is a special kind of bracket. So BODMAS, B stands for the brackets. So you have to take care of the brackets first, and this of is a special kind of bracket apart from the three regular brackets which are the parenthesis, the curly bracket and the square bracket, right? So 4/9 of 3/5 of 4500, and likewise we have 2/3 of 1/7 of 2/9 of 1890. So we need to evaluate this expression and let's see what is the answer for this question. So I told you 4/9 of means multiply, and you can actually solve this part very easily because I can see 9 and 5, 9 5s are 45, and 45 cancels 4500 exactly 100 times. So this is 4 3s are 12 multiplied by 100, which is 1200. And likewise the second part, 2/3 of 1/7 of 2/9 of 1890. So he is not complicating the problem for us. The numbers he has given here, they may be cancelling each other very easily. So as you can see, 7 9 times is 63. So if I cancel 63 3 times is 189. So this is 30, and 3 cancels 30 exactly 10 times. So how much is left here? 2 times 2, 4 times 10 is 40, and so the answer for the question is 1160. Now if it is a multiple choice question, you don't even need to do the subtraction, the last digit or the second last digit, 60, that also can give you a hint that this is the correct answer. So this is one of the easiest questions which you can face in fractions, but in my subsequent questions I'll be taking up mixed numbers. So let's take another question where we have some mixed numbers. So a problem of mixed numbers will sound little more difficult because you need to convert the mixed numbers to improper fractions sometimes. So the question goes like this. We have a 23 8 upon 9. This is a big mixed number, and followed by 15 7 upon 9. So they are added together, and we are subtracting 12 1/3 times 2/3 from this, and we need to evaluate this. That means to find the value of this expression. Now if you have to solve this, you can see that when you multiply these two, the denominator will contain a 9, and that's what I need actually, because you have a 9 here, a 9 here, so a 9 here. So that shows that it is a question which requires smartness and not big calculations. So how do we do it? If you see, adding these two mixed numbers, you can add the whole number parts. 23 and 15, they add up to 38, and the fractional parts 8 upon 9 and 7 upon 9. 8 plus 7 15, so it is 15 upon 9. Now although 15 upon 9 is an improper fraction which you can convert to a proper fraction also, but I leave it as it is because I just need a 9 in the denominator. After that, how much is this? This is 36 plus 1, 37 upon 3 times 2 upon 3. So I am going to leave the first part 38 15 upon 9, and the second part becomes 37 times 2 is 74 upon 9. Now how do you handle this? Do you convert this to improper fraction or do you convert this to mixed number? Now if you can identify that operation, the next step will give you your answer. It is easier to convert 74 upon 9 as a mixed number. 38 15 by 9 retains as it is. 74 divided by 9 will give you a quotient of 8. 9 8s are 72, and 74 minus 72 is 2, so 2 9th. And rest is very easy because you will get the answer directly now. 38 minus 8 is 30, and 15 minus 2 is 13 upon 9, which gives us, now when you convert 13 upon 9, because it's an improper fraction, you convert it to a mixed number, you will get 1 4 by 9. So the 1 adds to 30 becomes 31 and 4 by 9. So this is the answer for the question, 31 4 by 9. So you can see a degree of smartness is needed to solve these type of questions. I'll take some more questions because the types of questions are huge in number. So we need to cover at least a significant portion of these simplification problems in a single video. Let's take up the third question. So for the third question, I am taking another simple question where we have 4/7 of 441 divided by 18, and we are adding 14 to that, and we get square root of some number x, and we need to find x from this expression. Now you can see of, divide, plus, and then we have square root also. So many operations involved here, and that is why the question is tricky. Although it looks very easy, it is a bit tricky. So I told you of has to be taken care of first. So I have to do 4/7 of 441 first. 4/7 of 441. Does 7 cancel 441? Let's check. 7 6 are 42, so 21 means 3. It does. And 4 3s are 12, 2 1 carry means 24 25. 252 is the answer for this bracket, right? Now divided by 18 and plus 14 gives us root x. Although I can skip this step also, but I am writing all steps for your understanding. Now divide and add. In the sequence DMAS, divide comes first. So I will be dividing 252 by 18 and then adding 14 to the result. So 18 ones are 18 and 72 means exactly 4 times. So you have 14 plus 14, 28 on the left hand side and root x on the right hand side. And if root x is 28, then x is 28 square. So the answer for the question is 784, which is the square of 28. Now this was the third question. So in the fourth question now I am going to take up another problem of mixed numbers. Let's take within brackets we have 15 2 by 3 added to 33 1 by 3, right? So this is the first bracket, and outside the bracket we have 18 3 by 4 which is added, and that is multiplied to 7 3 by 15 3 by 15. On the right hand side we have something x plus 34. So we need to find the value of x again from this particular expression which is given to us. Now to solve this question, we have to first simplify this part. Now add, right? So what is the whole number part? 15 and 33. How much is that? 15 plus 33 is 48. And if you know 2/3 and 1/3, that gives you 3 by 3, that is 1. And so 15 plus 33, 48 plus 1 becomes 49. You have to do that orally in mind, okay? So because if you take time in reducing this mixed number to a improper fraction and then adding by taking the LCM, it's going to consume ages. So you don't want that. You need to save time, and that is why you need to add the whole number parts first and then the fractional parts later on, and then add the two to get your result 49. How about the other part? Now I don't have an option. 18 fours are 72 plus 3 75. So this is 75 upon 4. And 15 sevens are 105 plus 3 108 upon 15. Now these are multiplied. So in the sequence DMAS, multiply comes first and then we have to add. So multiplication is to be done now, and on the right hand side I am not touching it. X plus 34. So when you solve this, you have to take care that you cancel all the common factors between numerator and denominator first. So 15 obviously cancels 75 5 times, and 4 divides 108. This is 27 times, right? And so 49 plus, how much is this? There is no denominator. 27 times 5 is 135, and rest of it is quite easy because it's a problem of addition and subtraction only. So this is 184, and 34 comes this side, gets subtracted, giving you x as 150. So what replaces this x? 150 replaces that particular x. So these are some of the simplification problems, for which you need to take up 40-50 such questions and sit at a stretch and check what is the degree of accuracy you are getting, what are the tricks which can help you in actually handling these problems of fractions and mixed numbers effectively. So do share this video with all the aspirants, and especially the school students who are struggling in fractions, so that they can also feel comfortable and take up 100 questions, practice them, and post your comments whether these smart tricks or these methods of solving the questions helped you or not. All the best.